it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a swap with Gracie BEACHBUM13. Her channel will be linked down below. Start off with what I created, my mini pocket letter, and then I'm going to show you Gracie's. But before we get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So here's the pocket letter that I created for Gracie. This is a mini, and right up in this corner here I put a little bow, and I added the little sunglasses and some bling and some gold washi down the side. In the first pocket here, I ended up cutting out this flamingo. I thought it was so cute, and it was part of a paper that was going to be wasted, and I laid some washi under it, and the back is like that, and there's just a mini little envelope and card that I added just to the bottom corner. And then I made her these tags for in the back. So that's the pocket number one. Pocket number two here, all I did was cut some of this paper into a banner, add some pineapples, and you see this matches that back paper because this was double-sided, and some bling. And I'm giving her some extra pineapples in the back here. And then this pocket here, I actually cut this out for my recent flip-flop redo, and this was what I took out so that I could make it a shaker. So the palm tree die cut I saved, and it worked perfect because there's palm trees on this paper. And I added some gold accent on it and the bling, and then the back is palm leaves. And then I just included back here just some random little die cuts. So this is the package I got from Gracie, guys. It is so super cute. She put cute little stickers all around it, and she wrote on here, Sunshine Smile Mail. And I love how she made little decorations. Cute. So we're gonna open this up real carefully. So here it is, guys. She packed a lot into this little envelope, wow. And she mailed it all for $3.66. Very cool. So let's see here. This is the mini pocket letter Gracie created for me, and she made a little pom-pom. So cute. So here it is. I love how she put my name in these pastel-y colors, the stickers. Very cute. This is adorable. So that's the first pocket here, and she made a little rosette on top. She knows I'm a cat lover, and she put meow. In this pocket here, it looks like a little note. So yeah, this is a little note, and I'm going to read that after I film. And then she also has got another meow in the middle, the little paw print. And over here, the cat, and another rosette with XOXO. And look, she used one of those bows from the Dollar Tree, the nail art, and really cute. Now let's flip this over. On the back, she decorated it on up. I love Scrabble. I actually play Words with Friends, so if any of you guys do and want to play, let me know. So that's cute too. And then she has Catterday. That's adorable. And another rosette, and she layered it with some paper flowers, the heart. Very, very cute. And then here's just another cat, and again, she used the little nail art bow, a little rosette. Very, very cute, Gracie. Thank you for the mini pocket letter. Love that. And then she sent me some really cute stickers, some donuts, or no, maybe they're macaroons. Not quite positive. I think they are macaroons. They almost look like a donut for a second, though. Over here, these cowboy boots. Those are great. Love the cowboy boots. Nothing like that. That's different. She sent me this tag. I'm assuming she made, and it is a watermelon, and that is very cute. She put little black seed beads for the seeds. I love it, and I love watermelon, and this is a tag, guys. So that's nice, very nice. And then she sent me this footprint, gems, and this is super cool for any project as well. Thank you so much, Gracie. This was super fun. All right, guys, that was our mini pocket letter exchange. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please comment down below. You know I love interacting with you all. Don't forget, give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.